Before the video starts, I would like to say a big thank you to Wyattoneable channel and Chazz Coombes channel. They sent me a Christmas card and a sticker. So here we are, Wyatt. Nice Christmas card there. Merry Christmas from Tennessee, Wyatt. All the way from Tennessee. Thank you very much, Wyatt. And the sticker. Greetings from Tennessee. I've enjoyed your videos and upbeat attitude. I'm praying you to get into a shop someday. Thanks very much, Wyatt. Hopefully very soon, mate. So I think we're gonna put Wyatt there next to Cody's. There we go. And also Chazz Coombes. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Chazz. Thank you very much, Chazz. Nice card. Got a card there for Twins, Motorsport, and Project ST220. So he has a ST220. He did a series of repairs. Still working on it. Still make videos on it. Thank you very much, Chazz. And I think I'm gonna put you just down here underneath Wyatt. So there you go, boys. Thank you very much indeed. I really appreciate it. And as always, I'm gonna leave the links for their channel in the description. Go and check them out. If you enjoy what you see, consider subscribing. Hello guys, and welcome to another Carsexposed video. So today we are working on a 2011 BMW X3. And if you have been following the channel long enough, you probably remember this car where we fixed the LED driver for the side light at the rear for the tail light, and basically it failed again. So let me show you. Right, side lights on. I have to turn the ignition on as well, otherwise it doesn't come on. So let me go at the back now and show you. Alright, so as you can see, that one is not working. Is it flickery? No, there's nothing. No lights whatsoever there. The other ones are okay. This time we are going to take a different route. We are going to replace the LED driver. Because of my last video, about a year ago, I had a company contacting me called zenonsforyou.co.uk, offer me some new drivers just in case it failed again, to demonstrate their product, showcase their product. I'm not affiliate to zenonsforyou.co.uk, but they have sent me those 4 drivers for free, and we're gonna fit it in, and I'll report back to you guys, you know, if it's okay, how long it will last. The soldering, I don't know if you guys can see, but the soldering seems pretty good. Seems to be quite a decent board, so we are going to replace it. There's an 8mm, I think, in there. There you go. Is there anything else holding? No. Do you guys see that? That's it. So that's 8mm, and it's off. Let's disconnect the plug here. Should have probably done that before. There we go. All right, so here is our driver in question. I don't think the connector is burnt, but this is the original one from BMW. So I've added some liquid electric tape on the sides here, because they originally have a plastic, so like melted to hold the LED driver in place. But yeah, the connector, there's a little tab, it's definitely not burnt. So I have to cut this liquid tape a little bit here. So that's moving, and I think we glue the other side a little with some super glue. Oh, there we go. Right, here we are. Right, let's fit the other one. Four pins. Right, fits there perfectly. Right, so that's the new driver. Let's see if it's going to work. Right, let's put the ignition on. Hooray! There you go. So yeah, works perfectly. Let's fit this light back. And happy days. So just to show you here, guys, you just fit the light in and it has this sort of clump that holds it in place with an 8mm nut. And that's it, basically. Pretty simple. Go. Ta-da! Perfect. Now I'm gonna change the other ones. All right, so I have replaced the other drivers. Let's see now if it's going to work. If they're all working. Ignition on. Side lights on. Bottom one's working. And then the bonnet. Yep, they're all working as well. So there you go, quick and easy. All lights are working now, absolutely perfect. I changed the bottom ones as well. I didn't film it this time. If you're interested to see the other lights being removed and fixed it, or to see how I soldered the last time, I will leave links in the description for my previous video. The board itself, zenos4u.co.uk board, seems to be quite good quality. The components, the board itself, and the soldering seems to be quite good. So I'm gonna leave links to their website. I'm not affiliate with zenos4u.co.uk, but it might help someone out there if you're looking for a new driver rather than replace the whole light. I believe it's about £35, something like that. Soldering the board, like I did before, I think is still quite a valid option. You know, some of the drivers still going until now, after a year. I have noticed, like, if you remove the whole soldering from the boards, clean it completely and add some new softer solder, you get the best result. So as a short time solution, I think it's still valid, but for £35, getting a new driver with better components, you know, you're not gonna have to, you know, redo the job, redo the joints. And I think this value boards, I think they just, yeah, just the design is just not ideal. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope the video helps. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.